So let's continue and do the rest part of this model. So we have provided the credentials to connect with OpenAI. So the next is under resource, you have to choose image, and operation. Under operation, you have to choose analyze image, because we are going to analyze the image. Let's choose the model. So let me take the appropriate one. So let me take this one, GPT-40 mini. So that's the good one as well as very cheap. And text input, let me put image analysis by OpenAI model. And the important part is input type. So we need to analyze the image, but from where this model will get the image. So we need to provide the URL of the image. So as of now, our image is on the website, that is IMGBB. So here let me execute the previous node. It is asking the image. Let me give this one. And here let me type an Indian actress wearing this, so something like that. Click on submit. So it has provided you the link. Now we need to drag and drop this URL and paste it here. Again, let me click on execute. So it has extracted the output. So we have three options: schema, table, and JSON. So it has thoroughly analyzed the image using OpenAI node or model. It extracts details like caption, text, colors, style from the uploaded image for context. And this prompt or content, it is going to use with the next node to generate the appropriate image as per the requirement. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.